77.
77 or 78 beta?
78. Yes, ma'am. Second para.
78. You know, the writer, the narrator, he was sitting to have tea. Meanwhile, the tires were being repaired, the punctures, you know, it was being repaired. Okay, Saturn was getting them repaired, right? And it was the only cafe like all the other buildings in the town. It was badly constructed from painted concrete, and it had 3 broken windows. From the 3 broken windows, from one of the window, he could see the beautiful lake. Okay, beautiful lake, you know. And then the person or the boy who serves him tea, first he just wipes the table, okay, spread some grease and then wipes the table with a dirty cloth, and then he brings a glass and a thermos of tea. After half an hour, Saturn, he comes and he gets relieved from his confinement, as he was all alone. And then they just started driving, and they crossed many rocks and rubbish that was spread too much, and they proceeded towards the west direction. They moved out of the town towards Mount Kailash. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Third last para देखो, first, second, third, fourth and fifth para from the top. My experience. Put the date written. Write down the date, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my experience in Hor came as a stark contrast. Contrast means something opposite, you know, to accounts I had read of earlier travelers' first encounters with Lake Mansarovar. अब वो कहता है कि I have read, है ना, of many travelers who had visited Mount Kailash, और उन्होंने बहुत कुछ बड़ी खूबसूरत बातें लिखी थी about Lake Mansarovar. तो बिल्कुल उस एक्सपीरियंस से तो मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस था बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट था. व्हाई एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट था? क्योंकि होर, यू नो, इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी डर्टी प्लेस. समझ में आया? जगह जगह lots and lots of rubbish was there. Okay, and who did it? Who did it? The people. They did not keep the place clean. Many years back, when the travelers they had visited, maybe at that time, Hor, you know, it was very clean and tidy, right? It was very very clean. That was the main reason कि they liked it, they liked the place. और इतनी कहते हैं स्कैंटिटी थी, इतनी प्योरिटी थी कि वो ट्रेवलर्स कहते हैं कि on seeing this beautiful holy place ना, the tears started flowing out from the ears, from the eyes, sorry, the tears started flowing out from the eyes. लेकिन वो कहता है कि उनके एक्सपीरियंस से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस, इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली कॉन्ट्रास्ट, मतलब ऑपोजिट, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था. समझ गए बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, देखो वो क्या कह रहे हैं. देखो, my experience in Hor came as a stark contrast to accounts I had read of earlier travelers' first encounters with Lake Mansarovar. When they first time came across, or when they first time saw, when they first time meet, okay, when they came to Lake Mansarovar. Ikai Kawaguchi, a Japanese monk who had arrived there in 1900, underline. He was so moved by the sanctity, means by the purity, by the holiness, right, the meaning of the lake, that he burst into tears. वो देखकर, है ना, उसकी पवित्रता देखकर वो इतना ज्यादा मूड हो गया था, वो जैपनीज मॉन्क जो थे, कि उसको देखते ही he burst out into tears, he started crying. A couple of years later, means a few years later, the hallowed water had a similar effect on Sven Hedin. Second लिखो. Sven Hedin. A Swedish थे, वो स्वीडन के थे, who wasn't prone to sentimental outburst, you know, who didn't have such an emotional outburst. ठीक है? मतलब जो थे वो ऐसे इमोशनली आउटबर्स्ट नहीं होते थे, लेकिन सिमिलर इफेक्ट उनके ऊपर भी हुआ था, जो जैपनीज मॉन्क पर हुआ था, कि इवन द टीयर्स वर देयर इन हिज आईज. It was dark by the time we finally left again, and after 10:30 p.m. we drew up outside a guest house in Darchin. Now Darchin is a place for what turned out to be another troubled night. Now क्या हो गया? Dark हो गया था, काफी darkness हो गई थी. We finally left again, and after 10:30 p.m. Okay, 10:30 p.m. at night, we drew up outside a guest house in Darchin. Darchin में कोई guest house था, वहां पर हम पहुंचते हैं. For what turned out to be another troubled night, और ये रात भी दूसरी troubled night. Clear? When they resumed their journey, हॉल्ट से है ना, जब उन्होंने वहां से निकले, it was quite dark. Okay, and after 10:30 p.m. they decided to stay in a guest house in Darchin. Okay, but that night it also proved out to be a difficult night. Kicking around in the open air rubbish dump that passed for the town of Hor had set off my cold once more, though if truth be told, it never quite disappeared with my herbal tea. ओके अब क्या था, लॉट ऑफ रबिश वाज डम्प्ड, कचरे का ढेर था होर में. तो उससे क्या हुआ, जो नरेटर का कोल्ड था ना, सर्दी जो लगी हुई थी, इट बिकेम वर्ड्स, है ना, बहुत खराब हो गई और ज्यादा उसको सर्दी बढ़ गई. ठीक है, कफ एंड कोल्ड उसका ठीक नहीं हुआ. और कहता है यदि मैं सच्चाई बताऊं तो, इफ the truth it has to be told, it did not quite disappear. Cold did not disappear even after having the herbal tea. Okay, herbal tea ली मैंने, उसके बाद भी the cold did not disappear. One of my nostrils was blocked again, and as I lay down to sleep, I wasn't convinced that the other would provide me sufficient oxygen. Okay, जब हमारी nose block हो जाती है बेटा, we are not able to breathe properly. तो कहता one of my nostrils, you know, it was blocked. Okay, due to cough and cold the nose is blocked, isn't it? Nose block होती है ना, तो similarly उसकी भी nose block हो गई थी. तो कहता है एक nostril block हो गई थी, but with the other one, you know, I was not able to breathe properly. Okay, sufficient oxygen I was not getting. My watch told me I was at 4,760 meters high. It wasn't much higher than Rahu. Okay, Rahu से ज्यादा higher नहीं था. इसका मतलब पहले तो वो 5,500 कुछ height पर चले गए. Now वो slope, you know, it started coming downwards. तो थोड़ा वो नीचाई पर आ गए थे, नीचे आ गए थे, और height थी अब उनकी 4,760 meters high above the sea level. Okay, ground से इतना high थी. It wasn't much higher than Rahu. Rahu से तो higher नहीं था. And there I had been gasping for oxygen several times every night. Okay. और वो कहता है राहु से ज्यादा हाई नहीं था, बट अगेन उसको ब्रीथ करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. He required oxygen. I had grown accustomed to these nocturnal होता है night time. Write down night time disturbances. कहता है कि now I was so familiar to these nighttime disturbances. Okay, क्योंकि he had been traveling from so many days, तो ये जो रात को disturbances होता है about cough and cold, not getting the proper oxygen, not able to breathe, कहता है उसका मैं habitual हो चुका था. Accustomed means habitual, but they still scared me. But still I was scared. ओके, लेकिन तब भी मैं डरा हुआ था. रोज मेरे साथ ये हो रहा था. ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम वाज देयर, कफ एंड कोल्ड था, नॉट प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन आई वाज गेटिंग, बट एनी हाउ, है ना, आई बिकेम accustomed, but anyhow all these things, they were still scaring me, making me afraid. Now tired and hungry, I started breathing through my mouth. It happens na beta, when the nose is blocked, what do? We breathe through the mouth, है ना, मुंह से सांस लेते.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
similar thing happened with Nick also. Okay, he was very tired, he was very hungry. After a while I switched to single nostril power, which seemed to be admitting enough oxygen, but just as I was drifting off, I woke up abruptly. Now पहले तो he started breathing from his mouth, then again he started breathing from a single nostril that was not blocked. Okay, and as soon as he was about to go to sleep, he woke up. एकदम से वो जग जाता है. Something was wrong, something happened wrong. My chest felt strangely heavy and I set up a movement that cleared my nasal passage almost instantly and relieved the feeling in my chest. Curious, I thought. अब वो कहता है कि अचानक से I just woke up. Okay. Why? Because he was feeling something heavy in his chest. उसको बहुत भारीपन लग रहा था. वो उठता है, अपना नसल पैसेज वो क्लियर करता है. He cleans his nose. Okay, and then he became somewhat very curious. कुछ curious हो जाता है, कुछ eagerness एक develop हो जाती है उसके अंदर. Nasal passage, you got it? He cleans his nose. Why? Because he
Yes,
felt
ma'am.
something, yes, something heavy, okay, in his chest, and he was not able to feel good. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I lay back down and tried again. Same result. I was on the point of disappearing into the land of Nod when something told me not to do. Now he says he just tried again by laying back on the bed. वापस वो लेट जाता है. Same thing happened again. Okay. He was in the land of Nod. Nod होते हैं signals. Write down. Signals. जहाँ पे कोई चीज ऐसी थी जो कह रही थी you haven't to do it, not to do this. Written? It must have been those emergency electrical impulses again, but this was not the same as on previous occasions. This time I wasn't gasping for breath. Gasping is breathlessness. I was simply not allowed to go to sleep. Now he says that he was not able to sleep this time, and when he was about to sleep, he could not. And when he was sitting up, he sat up. Why? Because he was not able to sleep. तो उसको ऐसा फील हुआ कि बेटर फील हुआ. ओके. और उसको ऐसा फील हुआ कि नाउ ही कैन ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली. और जो है ना, थोड़ा बहुत गैस्पिंग वगैरह थी, ब्रेथलेस वगैरह थी, वो ऐसी कुछ नहीं हो रही थी. बस ये था कि शुरू में वो सो नहीं पाया. Sitting up once more immediately made me feel better. अब जब वो सो नहीं पाया बेटा तो again he sat up. Okay, उठकर बैठ गया. I could breathe freely and my chest felt fine. और अब chest में भी काफी हल्कापन लग रहा था. He was feeling fine. There was no heaviness in his chest and now he could breathe freely. But as soon as I lay down, my sinuses filled and my chest was odd. I tried propping myself upright against the wall, but now I couldn't manage to relax enough to drop off. I couldn't put my finger on the reason, but I was afraid to go to sleep. A little voice inside me was saying that if I did, I might never wake up again. So I stayed awake all night. Now see, he started breathing properly, okay, and his chest also, it was fine. He was not feeling any heaviness in the chest. But what happens again, he lays down on the bed, लेकिन जैसे ही लेटता है, the opposite thing happened. Okay, he was not able to sleep. पहले बैठता है तो उसको फाइन लगता है, वापस लेटता है, he was not able to sleep. तो he just leaned against the wall का सहारा लेता है, लेकिन he did not feel relaxation, है ना. अब क्या हो गया कि उसके अंदर इतना डर डेवलप हो जाता है कि he was afraid to sleep now. कि उसको लगता है कि some voice is there inside me that is telling me कि now if you are going to sleep, surely you would not wake up, यानी you would die. Okay, means एक डर इतना पैदा हो गया कि उसको ये लग रहा है कि मेरा जो conscience है मुझे बार बार ये कह रहा है कि now if you are going to sleep, you will not wake up, because it happened so many times. He lied on the bed, he was not able to sleep, again he woke up, again he lay on the bed, again the same thing happens. तो कई बार होता है कि वो लेटता है, उठता है ना, ब्रेथलेस हो जाता है, कई बार ब्रीथ भी प्रॉपर हो जाती है, फिर लेटने की कोशिश करता है, स्टिल ही वाज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. तो फाइनली उसको ये लगता है कि रियली आई एम नॉट वेल, और मुझे लग रहा है, मीन्स ही थिंक्स दैट, इसको ये लगता है कि नाउ इफ ही इज गोइंग टू स्लीप, then उसको उसकी इनर वॉइस ये कह रही है, ही इज फीलिंग। ओके, कई बार क्या होता है कि हमारी अंतरात्मा हमें कहती है ना नॉट टू डू दिस, तो सेम वॉइस ऑफ कॉन्साइंस वाज टेलिंग हिम, उसको ये लगता है कि नाउ डोंट स्लीप अदरवाइज यू माइट डाई, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू वेक अप एवर अगेन। सो ही बिकेम सो अफ्रेड दैट ही स्टेड अवेक ऑल नाइट। समझ गए बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, इसीलिए डाल्टन में जो गेस्ट हाउस लिया वो कहता है नाउ दिस नाइट वाज द अनदर वर्स्ट नाइट थी मेरी। क्यों थी? क्योंकि होल नाइट ही वाज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? Sachin took me to Darchan Medical College the following morning. Next morning क्या हो गया? Darchan Medical College में लेकर गया, है ना, जिससे ये मेडिकेटेड हो जाए, दवाई वगैरह दी जाए। The medical college at Darchan was new and looked like a monastery from the outside with a very solid door that led into a large courtyard. और जैसे monasteries होती है ना, where the monks live, बुद्धिस्ट monk वगैरह रहते हैं ना मठों में, मठ monasteries में, बिल्कुल ऐसे the medical college it looked. Or outside it had a very strong door and the door opened into a big courtyard was there. We found the consulting room which was dark and cold and occupied by a Tibetan doctor who wore none of the paraphernalia that I had been expecting. Okay, अब वो कहता है कि paraphernalia बोलते हैं जो बहुत miscellaneous articles होते हैं ना, वो कुछ नहीं था उसके पास। कहते हैं कंसल्टिंग रूम में गए, वहां पे इट वाज द रूम वाज डार्क एंड इट वाज क्वाइट कोल्ड, और तिब्बतन डॉक्टर बैठे हुए थे और कुछ ऐसा पैराफेरनिया उन्होंने पहना नहीं था, लाइक डॉक्टर्स दे वोर ऑन, ही वाज नॉट वेयरिंग, no white coat was there, he looked like any other Tibetan with a thick pullover and a woolly hat. Okay, और जैसे दूसरे तिब्बतन होते हैं वैसे ही he wasn't looking like a doctor. पैराफर्नैलिया नहीं था, मतलब कुछ भी डॉक्टर्स की तरह आर्टिकल्स या कपड़े ही हैड नॉट पुट ऑन। ठीक है, थिक पुलोवर था उसका और वुली हैट था उसका, है ना, वुलन हैट था। When I explained my sleepless symptoms and my sudden aversion to lying down, he shot me a few questions while feeling the veins in my wrist. Now, when I explained my sleepless symptoms, okay, when I explained him that I was not able to sleep, he was not okay, and I said that my sudden aversion, I developed a disliking. Okay, I was not interested to lie down. Then when I told him, when I complained that this thing happened, I was not able to sleep, and I did not had any liking, no desire that I might sleep. So he just put a few questions to me. नहीं, it's cold, he said finally through. Sachin, a cold and the effects of altitude, I'll give you something for it. वो कहता है हाँ, finally वो कहता है it is all due to cold. Okay, और ये सारे effects हैं altitude के, height पर तुम हो तो शायद इस वजह से, don't worry, I'm going to give something for it. I asked him if he thought I would recover enough to be able to do the Kora. Oh yes, he said you will be fine. और मैंने पूछा कि भाई I would be fine or not, so that I may complete my Kora. तो कहता है okay, don't worry, you will be fine. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा. Now, yes, I walked out of the medical college clutching a brown envelope stuffed with 15 screws of paper. Okay, अब तिब्बतन डॉक्टर जो है ब्राउन एनवेलप उसको पकड़ा देता है and it had 15 screws of paper होते हैं. मतलब I had a 5-day course of Tibetan medicine which I started right away. Okay, और 5-day की medicine he was being given by the Tibetan doctor. I opened an after breakfast package and found it contained a brown powder that I had to take with the hot water. Okay, after the breakfast, I opened the packet, means the medicine, you know, that had to be taken after the breakfast, and it had a powder in it, a brown powder was there, और वो मुझे hot water से लेना था. It tasted like just like cinnamon की तरह, है ना, बिल्कुल cinnamon की तरह it tasted. The contents of the lunchtime and bedtime packages were less obviously identifiable. और जो cinnamon होता है बेटा, दालचीनी होती है ना, it tasted like it. और लंच टाइम और बेड टाइम की जो दवाइयाँ थी, ओके, they were nearly the same, you know, they were nearly बिल्कुल ब्रेकफास्ट की तरह ही, they were identifiable, मतलब सेम थी. both contained small spherical brown pellets, okay, और उनमें भी छोटे छोटे pellets यानी shots जो होते हैं ना brown color के, they were there. They looked suspiciously like sheep dung. Okay, now he says कि छोटे छोटे minute pieces were there और ऐसे लग रहे थे जैसे sheep dung हो, जैसे cow dung होता है ना, गोबर वैसे ही sheep dung लग रहा था. But of course I took them, लेकिन anyhow क्या करूँ, I have to take it, okay. और that night after my first full day's course, और उस रात को है ना पूरे दिन के कोर्स के बाद, I slept soundly. Matlab, after taking all the doses, he had a very sound sleep. Okay, like a log, not a dead man. Okay, means like a log. Log वैसे तो होता है लकड़ी का टुकड़ा जिसको आप जहाँ डाल दो ना वहीं पड़ा रहता है. तो similarly उस log की तरह, means not a dead man, मतलब he had a very very good sleep. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया sleep he enjoyed. He slept very peacefully that night. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, stop it here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow we'll just complete it. Right,
Okay,
beta?
ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you.